Children, now we are going to see the lesson Hamara Desh. Desh means country. Hamara means our country. So we are going to learn about our country. Which is our country? India is our country, you know, Bharat. Okay. See here, this is the shape of our country. The colors given are our flag colors, saffron, white and green, isn't it? Now we'll go to the lesson. हमारा देश भारत है, इसे हिंदुस्तान भी कहते हैं। पुराने जमाने में भारत नाम का राजा राज करते थे। उनके राज्य में प्रजा बहुत सुखी थी। इन्हीं के कारण हमारे देश का नाम भारत पड़ा। हमारे देश के उत्तर में हिमालय पहाड़, पूरब में बंगाल की खाड़ी, पश्चिम में अरब सागर और दक्षिण में हिंद महासागर है। Now, shall we see the meaning? See here, हमारे देश भारत है. Our country is India. इसे हिंदुस्तान भी कहते हैं. We call it Hindustan also. In olden days it was called only Hindustan. पुराने जमाने में भरत नाम का राजा राज करते थे. Means in olden days, पुराने जमाना means olden days. In olden days, there was a king called Bharat. Bharat नाम का राजा था. There was a king called Bharat and he was ruling the country. राज करते थे. That means he was ruling the country. उनके राज में प्रजा बहुत सुखी थी. During his rule, the citizens were very happy. इन्हीं के कारण हमारे देश का नाम भारत पड़ा. Because of these reasons only, our country is known as Bharat. Receive the name Bharat. Do you get it? Okay. हमारे देश के उत्तर में हिमालय पहाड़, पूरब में बंगाल की खाड़ी, पश्चिम में अरब सागर और दक्षिण में हिंद महासागर है. So our country is surrounded by Himalayan mountains in the north. उत्तर में हिमालय पहाड़. See here. उत्तर में हिमालय पहाड़. Here you are having the Himalayan mountain. Very huge, big mountain. पूरब में बंगाल की खाड़ी. The eastern side you are having Bengal की खाड़ी, Bay of Bengal. Khadi means bay. Bengal की खाड़ी means Bay of Bengal is here. पश्चिम में अरब सागर है. On the western side you have Arabian Sea. Here you are having Arabian Sea. दक्षिण में हिंद महासागर है. On the southern side you are having Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. Oh, these are the boundaries of our country. Do you get it?